In this video, we're going to discuss factoring difference of squares. We have discussed before that the product of the sum and difference of two terms is equal to the difference of their squares. That is, a plus b times a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. Now if we are instead given a difference of squares, a squared minus b squared, then we know that this is equal to the product of the sum and difference of their square roots, a plus b times a minus b. And since a plus b times a minus b equals a squared minus b squared, then a plus b and a minus b are factors of a squared minus b squared. So for example, let's say we want to factor x squared minus 25. In this case, we have a squared as x squared and b squared as 25. Now we get the square root of a squared and b squared. So we have a equals x and b equals 5. So therefore, the factored form of x squared minus 25 is x plus 5 times x minus 5. Now let's say we want to factor 4x squared minus 9. In this case, we have a squared as 4x squared and b squared as 9. Now we get the square root of a squared and b squared. So we have a equals 2x and b equals 3. So therefore, the factored form of 4x squared minus 9 is 2x plus 3 times 2x minus 3. If we have 16 minus y squared, then we have a squared as 16 and b squared as y squared. Now we get the square root of a squared and b squared. So we have a equals 4 and b equals y. So therefore, the factored form of 16 minus y squared is 4 plus y times 4 minus y. Now lastly, if we have 1 minus 4y squared, then we have a squared as 1 and b squared as 4y squared. Now we get the square root of a squared and b squared. So we have a equals 1 and b equals 2y. So therefore, the factored form of 1 minus 4y squared is 1 plus 2y times 1 minus 2y. So that's how you factor the difference of two squares. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.